Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about plants. So let's get started. Do you know anything about growing a plant? Could be a question that comes up. So you could say, yes, I know a little about growing plants. I've tried growing some small ones before. Or, yes, I have decent understanding of plant cultivation. Over the years, I've gained some experience in nurturing different types of plants. Do you like plants? Yes, they have a nice touch of greenery to any space. Or, yes, I have a genuine fondness of plants. Their presence not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also brings a sense of tranquility to an environment. Do you know a lot about plants? Not really. I know the basics of taking care of them. Or I would say I have a decent knowledge of plants and their care requirements, but I'm always eager to learn more about different species. Do you keep plants? Yes, I have a couple of small plants in my room. Or, yes, I'm quite an avid plant enthusiast. My living space is adorned with a variety of plants, each with its own unique charm. Have you ever had a plant? Yes, I've had a few plants in the past, but I struggle to keep them alive. Or certainly, I've had the pleasure of nurturing various plants over the years. Some have thrived while others taught me valuable lessons in gardening. Do you want to have a plant as a gift? Sure, I think it'd be a thoughtful and unique gift. Or absolutely, receiving a plant as a gift would be wonderful. It's not only a thoughtful gesture, but a lasting reminder of the occasion. What plants did you grow when you were younger? I remember growing some simple flowers like sunflowers and daisies. Or, during my younger years, I experimented with cultivating various plants, including sunflowers, marigolds, and even a small herb garden. Do people in your country send plants as gifts? Yes, it's quite common to give potted plants as gifts on special occasions. Or, yes, in my culture, giving plants as gifts is a cherished tradition. It symbolizes growth, vitality, and well-wishing for a recipient. That's all the questions for today. Next up is our reading passage. As always, is intended to give you more information about the topic so that you can use it and draw upon it for your own answers if the topic arises. So, plant cultivation, also known as gardening, is a time-honored practice, nurturing and tending to various types of plants. This activity encourages a wide range of plants, from vibrant flowers and lush foliage to useful herbs and edible crops. Gardening can be pursued in various settings, including home gardens, community plots, and even urban spaces. Many individuals find solace in gardening, as it allows them to connect with nature and find a sense of accomplishment in watching their plants flourish. This presence of plants in our surroundings brings a touch of beauty and tranquility. Greenery has a remarkable effect on our mental and emotional well-being, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Beyond aesthetics, gardening offers significant health benefits. Engaging in physical activities such as digging, planting, and weeding promotes physical fitness and reduces stress. Moreover, plants play a crucial role in purifying the air by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen, contributing to cleaner and healthier environments. Plant cultivation is not only a fulfilling hobby, but also an opportunity for learning and personal growth. Gardeners acquire knowledge about plant species, soil health, and climate conditions. This education fosters a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and encourages sustainable practices that benefit both humans and the planet. Furthermore, receiving a plant as a gift establishes a connection with nature, inviting the recipient to care for and appreciate the living gift. Plants hold sentimental value and are often exchanged as meaningful gifts. Gifting a potted plant symbolizes growth, renewal, and nurturing friendships. While plant cultivation brings joy, it also presents challenges. Different plants have unique requirements, and factors such as weather, pests, and diseases can affect their growth. However, overcoming these challenges provides a sense of accomplishment and resilience, reinforcing the connection between humans and the natural world. Plant cultivation is more than leisure activity. It is a way of fostering a harmonious relationship with the environment. By embracing gardening, individuals contribute to the conservation of biodiversity, enhance the quality of their living spaces, and promote sustainable practices for future generations. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions for you. We have greenery, cultivation, nurturing, horticulture, foliage, planting, harvesting, soil preparation, watering, weeding, flower bed, pruning, transplanting, herb garden, vegetable patch. To have a green thumb, to cultivate a garden, to sow, to reap, to tend. And lastly for today, our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. Do you know anything about growing a plant? Instead, you say, are you familiar with the process of cultivating plants? Have you ever had a plant? Have you ever owned a plant? Do people in your country send plants as gifts? Is it common for individuals in your nation to give plants as presents? Or, I know a lot about different types of plants. I possess extensive knowledge regarding various plant varieties. I enjoy cultivating flowers and herbs in my garden. Or, I find pleasure in growing both flowers and herbs within my garden. And finally, paraphrasing the scriptures, which you're on your own for. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.